Hello everyone, I am Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Bharadiyar Arts and Science College for Women, Deviyakuruchi. Today I am going to talk about topic is transistor circuit. We will see first transistor and its types. A transistor used many electrical device nowadays. For example, smartphone and laptop. A smartphone contains 1.16 billionth of transistor and latest model laptop Core i7 contain 2 billionth of a transistor. What is mean by a transistor? A transistor is used to transfer of resistance, a transfer of voltage amplification from low range to high range in the electric circuit. A transistor makeup of a semiconductor device. It is used to amplify or switch the electric signals and the electric powers. A transistor is composed of three semiconductor materials. It has the three terminals. The terminals are used to connect the external circuit. What is mean by a semiconductor? A semiconductor is a substance that has a properties between the insulator and conductor is called a semiconductor. For example of semiconductor is silicon, germanium, gallium arsenide. Most common popular used semiconductor material is silicon because it has the 4 atoms. It is easily doping with another components of chemicals. A semiconductor's doping further classify the extrinsics and intrinsics. Intrinsics means number of electrons and holes are equal. Extrinsics means number of electrons and holes are not equal. That is classified into two kinds, p-type and n-type. So p-type means number of holes is higher than compared to the electrons. N-type means number of electrons is higher than compared to the holes. So n is denoted the negative charges and p is stand for the positive charges. Many semiconductor components here are present. So solar panel, LED, diodes and transistor are make up of a semiconductor materials. A semiconductor materials are not conducting charge but only conducting partial charges. So it is electrically in fact neutral charges. A transistor used most common in electrical devices. So this is the physical aperture of transistor. It has the three terminals. The three terminals further divided to the two pairs. Pairs means double terminal present here of the. So one terminal is common to the first and second pair. First and second pair means input pair and output pair. So most common used semiconductor device are computer, telephone, GPS device, flashlight and radios. One pair of terminals is input, another pair is output. A voltage or current applied to the one pair, it's control the another pair of the transistors because control the output power higher than compared to the input power. So a transistor can amplify the signals. This is the signal of low signals to high signals. A transistor used to amplify the signals. This is the input signals. The signals ranges are small. It's converted to high ranges of signals. So a transistor can amplify the signals. Main difference between diode and transistor. A diode has single junctions. A transistor has double junctions. For example, as you can see in the figure, only one junction present here of the diode and transistor also double junction present here of the figures. So diode is composed of P and N-type material to produce this formation of symbol of diodes. This is the transistor symbol. A junctions are formed by sandwiching by P or N. So either type of material semiconductor between the other pair of N or P type materials. Two diodes back to back connect to produce the transistor. So it has the three terminals. The names are B, E, C. Thus are two diodes are back to back connect to produce the three terminals. The names are base, emitter and collector. Types of transistor. So transistor have bipolar junction divisor. It has the two types NPN and PNP. So NPN transistor consists of P-type semiconductor materials between two layer of N-type semiconductor material, but PNP transistor is consists of N-type semiconductor materials between two layer of P-type materials. This is the representations of a PNP and NPN transistor. The types refers to the layer of semiconductor material to make the transistor. So I am already told the definition of bipolar junction. So it has the two junction present here. This is the types of transistor. A transistor both of equal, but circuit symbols are minute difference. So next slide I will explain. Most common used transistor is NPN transistor because it is very easiest type to make from the silicon. This is the circuit symbol of transistor. Both of the same but different only for the arrows outward and inward. Outward arrow of emitter is intimated the NPN transistor, inward arrow is intimated to the PNP transistor. The leads are named. This is the representations, this is the circuit of transistor. So representations is refers to the B is intimated the base, E is emitter and C is collector. So E is emitter terminals, highly doping terminals, base is slightly doping terminals, collector is in between intermediate of highly and lightly doping terminals. IB is refers to the base current, IC is refers to the collector current, IE is refers to the emitter current. Transistor configuration. A transistor operated in 3 operation regions: cutoff, active and saturation. Active region is used to amplify the signals. Cutoff and saturation region is used to switch off conditions of a transistor. First one, common base, common emitter and common collector. So common base means the base terminals is common to both of the input pass and output pass. It is called the common base, same as to emitter and collector also. Common base configuration only present here of voltage gain only. So but common emitter present both of the voltage and current gain, and then common collector present only for the current gain. Common base configurations. In this figure you can see clearly input pass and output pass. Input pass means emitter and base, output pass is collector and base. So base is common to the input and output, so it is called the common base configurations. So input current is IE, output current is IC. So the ratio of output current to the input is called the alpha of a transistor. The alpha of a transistor is used to measure the quality of transistor. Alpha of a transistor is used to measure the quality of transistor. A alpha value is very high, the transistor as one of the better transistor, and then alpha value ranges for 0.95 to 0.999. This is the alternation equation of alpha of a transistor. I will substitute of the emitter currents. So this equation is formed here. I is common term, so take out from the IE. So final equation of alternating current alpha for a transistor. Alpha of a alternating current transistor refers to the change in collector current to the change in emitter current. So ratio of collector current to the emitter current is called the alpha of a transistor. It's now as a short circuit gain of the transistor. This is the practical purpose of alternate current of alpha. Common emitter configurations of a transistor. So in this figure you can clearly see the emitter terminals common to the both of the input and output terminals. This is the symbol of common emitter configurations. IB is the input current, IC is the output current. So emitter is common to the both of input and output. So the input signals applied between base and the emitter, the output signals take from the collector and the emitter. The ratio of collector current to the base current is called the beta of the transistor. So this is the equation of current gain, beta equal to IC divided by IB. It is also called common emitter forward transfer ratio. It is has high possible value is 500. Common emitter configurations. So while analyzing, this is the beta value of common emitter amplification, the ratio of change in collector current to change in base current. This is the emitter current. So just apply the values of beta IB. So common terms of IB take out from 1 plus beta terms. This is the common emitter and alternating current of transistor. Common collector configurations. So input terminals base and collector, output terminals is emitter and collector. So collector is both of common to the input and the output pass. So ratio of emitter current to the base current, this is the output current, this is the input current. Just I have only one terms of multiplication division of IC. Alternating this equation is alpha of reciprocal term, this is the beta. Just multiply the equation beta divided by alpha. This is the common collector configuration. So and the output current is 1 plus beta terms of times of input current. This is equations clearly explain the definition. Output current is 1 plus beta term of the input current. This is the summary table of common emitter, common base and common collectors. So voltage gain, current gain and then power gain, input output phase relations and the input resistance, output resistance, present of the phase relation also this table. Transistor bias. A transistor bias is keep to base emitter junction properly forward directions and collector base junction properly reverse directions. So it achieved with only for bias battery. The method is more efficient and frequently employed, which provides transistor bias is known as bias circuit. A transistor bias is very essential for transistor operated in any electrical circuit. I hope you clearly understand about transistor and its type. I will meet with next topic. Thank you to all.